a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, heated steering wheel, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.